So we're just checking the floor to floor. We're going to make sure that the design that you've approved is exactly what has been made. Step 1 is assemble and install the top flight. Your overall width of stair is overall width minus what's left on your closed stringer.
So if you can imagine your post is sliding on the top and the bottom. What we need to do is we need to cut the front off a wedge so that it allows the post to slide on, and same with the top post. We need to cut the back off that wedge so the post can slide on. This is a standard wedge. Sometimes these are too big, so you have to cut the wedge down so it's not sticking past the riser.
Good.
So as you tap the wedge in, you want to tap the riser so it's hard up against the tread, because if it's not, that's where it'll create the squeak.
So we've fit 3 screws in the back, one about 100 to 250 mil in from each edge, and then one in the guts. And we also fit with MDF a screw in the top into the top of the riser. Check everything's square. Your kit will come with glue blocks that's fitted behind the tread and the riser. We'll show you where that goes. Fit 3 glue blocks between each tread and riser. Glue the top 2 faces, place, and then pin to the tread. Fit your top post before you lift the flight in. So we're just making sure that it's square to the tread.
And then also square to the stringer.
And square to the stringer.
So you want to rip the nose in to what the flooring is. So you need to allow for, if the yellow tank is flush to the joist, or if it's set back, you need to just allow that when you step out.
Now we're going to fit the top riser and the top nosing.
You're also going to take a notch out of the riser so that you can fit it in because of the post checkout.
We're just going to put 2 bugles in the face of the riser when fixing. So by using a speed bore, the head will be flush with the riser.
As I lift the stair up, I'm going to slide the post on.
There's a level on the top to make sure the treads are level, and then we just screw it off. So we're going to level across now, and then fits off the stringer.
Alright, now the stair's level, we can measure the winder stringer from the back wall to the stringer.
So we're going to plumb this post up first, fix it off, so we don't have to worry about it later on.
Once it's plumbed, just mark around it on the floor so you know that's where the post is going to stay.
So we're getting the twist out of the post here.
Then square it off the back of the riser with the big builder square.